I'm changing spark plugs and wires on a 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan. You'll need to gather the following items: ignition wire set, 6 spark plugs, thread lubricant and connector grease, a spark plug gapping tool, ratchet and extension, and a 5/8 spark plug socket. Unbox the wires and lay them out for easy access. Next, open the hood and locate the 6 spark plugs in the engine compartment. There are 3 in the front and 3 deep in the back. In order to better visualize these in the back, I hung a small mirror to capture their location. Begin with the front, replacing them one at a time. Remove the wires from the wire loom by simply pulling them out. Then grasp the boot on the end of the wire and pull it off of the plug. The other end of the wire is attached to the ignition coil pack. Note the numbers on the coil pack. These numbers show which coil belongs to which spark plug. The spark plugs are numbered in this following correlation. Keep this in mind as you go along. Next, unplug the other end at that numbered location. Now select the new wire that matches the length of the one that was removed and set aside. Next, remove the spark plug using a 5/8 spark plug socket. Unbox the new spark plug and apply the thread lubricant. Then, with the gapping tool, gap the electrode in this manner to 0.05 inches. Thread in the new spark plug by hand and finish tightening using the spark plug socket. Make sure you do not over-tighten and damage the plug. Next, prep the new wire with the connector grease. Use a flathead screwdriver to apply some on the terminal connectors within the boot at each end. Install the new wire into place by working it onto the spark plug terminal and then the other end onto the ignition coil terminal. Finish by installing the wire into the wire loom. Repeat this process on the remaining 2 front plugs. Next, I'll replace the rear plugs and wires. Starting at the coil pack, I follow the wires to another wire loom and then to the plugs. A mirror is very helpful at this point to view the 3 plugs. Begin pulling the wires from each spark plug. Due to the compact space, it has proven to be more efficient to do this side all at once instead of one at a time. Then unplug the wires from the coil pack terminals. Next, return to the wire loom. This loom sits freely on a base of posts. There are no nuts holding it down, you just simply lift it from these posts. All the wires are now free and can be removed as one unit. Remove the old wires by releasing the clips that hold them in place. Take one of the old wires and cut off the end that connects to the spark plug. This will be a handy tool for later when I thread in the new plugs. Next, use a U-joint socket adapter when removing the old plugs. The tight space will require some time and patience. However, having the mirror will definitely be beneficial. Using the connector from the old wire, install each of the new spark plugs by hand. Finish tightening using the socket. Secure the remaining rear spark plugs in this manner. Then install the wires on each plug terminal and connect the other end to the corresponding coil terminal. Return the wire loom to its original position, sliding it over the posts. Then secure the wires to the wire loom and clip into place. And finally, plug the wires into their corresponding ignition coil terminals. Installation is now complete.